Hi, so I just wanted to demonstrate real quick how to do the Montessori Addition Snake Game using Math-U-See blocks. Notice that Math-U-See blocks use a kind of color coding, a color scheme that is used in the Montessori bead material. Math-U-See is derived from Montessori, and it uses one of their color schemes, where ones are green, tens are blue, and hundreds are red. And notice in the problem next to these Math-U-See blocks, you can see how right here, these numbers are laid out using that color scheme. So, in the Montessori bead material, the ones where you're using the colored bead material, the ones would be red. And so this is a variation of that to keep the hierarchy that shows the ones, tens, and hundreds. And so if you watch this from a Montessori video, it would be confusing because the colors would be goofed up on this demonstration. But you could lay out a bunch of ones and lay them out so that it forms a snake. And you just string them in a line. And you can use a different color at the end to give them a head if you want. Okay, so then we just go through and we count to make tens. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then we take our 10 and we can see that that's the same. So we trade and we pull those ones away and we replace those ones with the 10 on our snake. And then we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can replace it with the 5. We could also do this just using various different colors of random numbers to make our snake. So in doing this one, we would count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so we would put our finger here in this spot. And we have a 4 left over to replace that. And when we line these up, we can see that they match. So we can take these out and we just directly substitute. Okay, now we start with these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and we can see that we have this many left. And when we line them up, we can see that that's how many after we make our 10. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we can see visually that it comes out perfectly. This is the beauty of the blocks, you guys. It's not just in your head, you can see it. And you're doing it with your fingers and you're seeing it with your eyes, so it becomes concrete to tell. And so we know that our answer to this problem is 30.